Here we are on a great trolling pass, and I'm not sure if I got bit off or if I got my line snagged. But the terrible thing about this is when you're in a really great place that you are consistently catching fish, and then you feel like you have to stop and retie and that you're missing all of these fish. Either way, you're gonna have to stop and put your pole down. But what I've started doing in this case is also picking up our dig and anchor. With this, what you can do is simply hold your place in your trolling path and then continue on in a moment. So we're gonna dip this in, make sure that there's no sand or anything on it. Slide it right into the anchor system and get it right down into, we have sand here, it's a very soft bottom here. So in this case, I can stop, I can retie, I can put everything back together exactly as I want it, and I'm still in the same spot on my trolling path. Please be courteous of others if there is a whole line of people that is coming through, but certainly in this case, we are out and there's nobody else out here. Once I'm done retying, I'm able to take my anchor out, pop it right back down, and be right on my way fishing again. Again, the pole does not interfere with our trolling motor. You do want your motor to be at a full stop when you are putting your anchor poles in, but again, a great place marker so that you can then continue on with the fishing that you've been doing. With this is our fishing boat, and it's a really great system to be using. Also applicable for your pontoon boat. So if you are out with your family, you do some leisure, some pleasure, some fishing, it's all mixed in. This is a really great anchor system. It's very low profile, out of the way. If you have kids in the boat, you're not going to be tripping over it. But again, a great way to come out here, put those poles in on your pontoon boat or your fishing boat. So we'll see you on the water.